Hi everyone, welcome back to another interesting video on daily market analysis and stock updates. In this video, we will be discussing about the three major important updates we have from Electoral Bonds scam and oil stocks and LTTS, that is Larsen and Turbo Technology Services stock. We will discuss the complete details in this video, and we'll also do a short analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow in the end of the video. So before going to that, like this video and also subscribe to our channel Financial Radio and hit the bell icon. Now moving on to the first update we have from the Supreme Court of India and Electoral Bonds case. In recent development, the Supreme Court of India has directed the State Bank of India to submit unique alphanumeric numbers associated with electoral bonds, shedding light on a controversial issue that has gripped the nation. The Electoral Bonds case, which has been a subject of intense scrutiny, has revealed startling revelations about the involvement of top companies and entities in funding political parties through these bonds. According to data disclosed by SBI, the top 10 contributors purchased electoral bonds worth a staggering 4,200 crore rupees. The Election Commission of India, following a directive from the Supreme Court, unveiled the list of purchasers between April 2019 and February 2024. Among the top contributors were Future Gaming and Hotel Services, PR, Mega Engineering and Infrastructure Limited, and Vedanta, and each purchasing electoral bonds worth hundreds of crores. However, the Supreme Court's directive to SBI to disclose unique bond numbers and underscores the need for transparency in the electoral process. Advocacy groups have criticized the electoral bonds for facilitating quid pro quo and allocation of allowing corporations to secretly influence political parties. The recent landmark judgment by the Supreme Court, which struck down the electoral bond scheme, highlighted the need to protect the right of information and prevent undue influence in the political process. As the nation grapples with the aftermath of this revelation, it becomes imperative to uphold the principles of transparency and accountability in our democracy. Now, moving on to the second update we have from the oil stocks. Oil stocks experienced a significant downturn as the government announced a cut in petrol and diesel prices by 2 rupees per litre, marking the first such reduction in last 2 years. This decision comes amidst a challenging landscape for Indian oil refineries and marketers who are grappling with declining domestic fuel prices and soaring international crude oil prices, putting pressure on their margins. International crude oil prices surged to a 5-month high following the International Energy Agency's upward revision of demand growth forecasts and disruptions in the Red Sea region. Brent crude oil futures for May are currently at $85.27 per barrel, signaling a significant increase. Reacting to the rate cut announcement, shares of Hindustan Petroleum, that is HPCL, plummeted by up to 8%, followed by Bharat Petroleum Corporation BPCL with a drop of up to 6%. Other OMCs such as Indian Oil Corporation IOC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation ONGC, and GAIL which also witnessed declines ranging from 3% to 5%. The reduction in petrol, diesel and CNG prices is expected to impact OMC's gross marketing margins, potentially leading to a decline in their profitability. Analysts at JM Financial suggest that the fuel price cut could resist in a blended auto fuel gross marketing margin of 2.6 rupees per litre, down from the historical level of 3.5 rupees per litre. Despite the current challenges, there is optimism that OMCs may regain their margin post-elections, provided international crude oil prices remain within a comfortable range. However, concerns linger regarding the impact of OMC's valuations, which are currently trading at a premium compared to historical levels. As OMCs navigate through these turbulent times, investors are advised to monitor developments and closely watch and assess the evolving market dynamics. Now, before moving on to the third update, like this video and subscribe to our channel Financial Radio and also hit the bell icon. Now, when coming to the third update, we have regarding Larsen and Turbo Technology Services, that is also known as L&T Technology Services. L&T Technology Services has emerged as a front runner in the cybersecurity domain. Over the past year, the company has witnessed an impressive surge of over 50% in its stock value, signaling robust growth and bolstered investor confidence. A significant milestone for L&T Technology Services comes in the form of a substantial contract valued at 800 crore rupees, secured from the state of Maharashtra, India. This landmark agreement underscores the company's commitment to advancing cybersecurity infrastructure. The project entitles the establishment of an advanced cybersecurity system and the inception of a dedicated cybersecurity and cybercrime prevention center within the state. This endeavor transcends mere business achievements for L&T Technology Services. It represents an invaluable opportunity to leverage the company's expertise for the greater good, enhancing public safety against the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. Through the development of deployment of cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence and digital forensic tools, the project aims to proactively mitigate cyber risks and swiftly address potential cyber attacks. In terms of financial performance, L&T Services also continues to demonstrate resilience and growth. In the final quarter of 2023, the company reported a consolidated net profit of 336.2 crore rupees, marking a commendable 13% increase compared to the previous year. This upward trajectory in profitability underscores the company's sustained momentum and financial stability. Market sentiment surrounding L&T Technology Services remains buoyant, with the company's stock trading at 5,379 rupees per the latest update, reflecting a 2.2% increase from the previous close. With its stock witnessing an impressive ascent of over 50% in the last year, L&T Technology Services has positioned itself as a formidable player in the cybersecurity domain, attracting significant attention from investors. Now, before moving on to Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow, like this video and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. Now we can see Nifty has opened a gap down opening in the morning, and after that it has formed 3 consecutive green candles and it has formed a new day high which is 22,120 points. And from that day high it has started to go downside and it has formed a new day low which is 21,931 points, and in the end it closed at 21,996 points. So Nifty has not even broken down the previous day low or previous day high or even the previous day closing price. So it stayed in the range of yesterday. So for tomorrow, that is for Monday, if Nifty opens anything above the closing price or the day low may act as a good support and the closing price may act as a good support. But the day low, which was being retested multiple times since the past 2 to 3 days, may not support a good positive momentum. It is very risky there. So the day high may act as a good resistance if Nifty reaches that level. But if Nifty opens a huge gap up above the day high may act as a good support. Now when coming to Bank Nifty opened a huge gap down like Nifty, and it has broken down the previous day low in the first impulse move itself, and from that we can see it has formed a wick and formed a green candle and went upside and formed a new day high which is 46,802 and not even broken down the previous day closing price. And we can see a sharp selling move originating from that day high and which led to the day low formation of 46,310 points, and in the end Bank Nifty closed at 46,542 points. So for Monday level, the day high may act as a resistance and the day low may act as a support only if Bank Nifty opens within this area. If Bank Nifty opens anything above the day high with a huge gap up, the day high may act as a strong support. If day high fails to be a support, the day closing price of today may act as a good support for that day, for Monday. And for the day low, if Bank Nifty comes anything below the day low, it is very crucial for buyers and sellers to check for the levels. That's all we have for today. If you really like this video at any point of time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.